On March 11, 2025, Ukraine's Air Force Command officially confirmed a significant achievement. The French-made SAMP air defense missile system successfully downed a Russian Sukhoi fighter aircraft. This breakthrough, reported by Ukrainian media, marks a milestone in Ukraine's evolving air defense strategy and highlights the critical role advanced Western military technology plays in the ongoing conflict with Russia. The SAMP, a joint French-Italian air defense system, is designed to intercept a wide range of airborne threats, including aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones. It is equipped with the Aster 30 missile, which is renowned for its precision, speed, and capability to engage targets at ranges of up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles. The system's sophisticated radar and command and control infrastructure make it an essential tool for Ukraine, especially in high-threat environments such as the ongoing conflict with Russia. While the specific date and location of the Sukhoi downing have not been disclosed, Ukrainian sources speculate that the aircraft involved was likely a Su-27 or Su-35, both commonly used by Russian forces in their air operations against Ukraine. This interception, however, represents more than just a technical success. It also challenges early skepticism regarding the SAMP's effectiveness. There were concerns about the system's ability to cope with Russia's aerial threats, but this achievement serves as a clear testament to the SAMP's capabilities. Equipped with the advanced Aster 30 missile, the SAMP system excels in high-speed interception of various airborne threats. Its missile can take on multiple targets at once, neutralizing them with exceptional accuracy. In Ukraine's defense, the SAMP's versatility is crucial, as it offers protection against both fast-moving aircraft and missiles, all while operating in a complex and contested environment. This functionality is vital for defending critical infrastructure and military assets in the face of Russian airstrikes. The SAMP system's radar and interception technologies are designed for high-intensity combat, capable of detecting and tracking numerous targets at once. This is particularly important in the face of saturation attacks, where multiple threats are deployed simultaneously. The system's ability to neutralize such threats has been pivotal in boosting Ukraine's defense strategy. Since early 2025, Ukraine has received two SAMP systems, provided by France and Italy as part of a broader Western military aid initiative. These systems have been strategically deployed to strengthen Ukraine's air defense, particularly in regions at high risk of attack. The integration of SAMP with other NATO-supported defense systems, like the Patriot and NASAMS, has proven essential in creating a comprehensive air defense network. Despite initial challenges, including software malfunctions that temporarily hindered the system's performance, the downing of the Sukhoi aircraft has quelled doubts about the SAMP's operational effectiveness. The system's recent success has reinforced its value, showcasing its ability to defend against complex aerial threats. The implications of this success extend beyond just the technical achievement. It underscores Ukraine's growing proficiency in utilizing advanced air defense systems and enhances the credibility of the SAMP system within the broader European support framework. As more such systems are delivered to Ukraine in the coming months, the nation's ability to safeguard its airspace and critical infrastructure from Russian aggression will continue to improve. In conclusion, the SAMP missile system's first successful interception of a Russian Sukhoi fighter marks a pivotal moment in Ukraine's defense capabilities. It reflects not only the technical prowess of the system but also the ongoing international support for Ukraine's struggle against Russian aggression. With further advancements and additional defense systems expected, Ukraine's air defense capacity will continue to evolve, offering greater protection against the growing threats it faces.